Imagine if everything you believed about what's possible was just the tip of the iceberg. What if the life you've been dreaming of could start today simply by unlocking the hidden power within your own mind? Your mind holds an ocean of untapped power, far greater than anything you've been led to believe. Most people think of their thoughts as random, fleeting, or even meaningless. But the truth is that every thought you entertain carries energy, direction, and potential. It is the starting point of every choice, every action, and every experience in your life. Imagine that for a moment. Everything you've ever achieved, every challenge you've faced, every joy or struggle, all began as a thought. And just as a tiny seed can grow into a mighty tree, a single idea in your mind can grow into a life-altering reality. The difference between those who live ordinary lives and those who manifest greatness lies not in luck, education, or circumstance, but in the ability to recognize and harness this power. You have the capacity to consciously direct your mind, to focus your energy and attention on what truly matters, and to shape the world around you from the inside out. The untapped power of your mind is like a dormant engine waiting to ignite, a force that, once awakened, can guide you to levels of clarity, creativity, and intelligence you never imagined. This power is always with you, waiting silently beneath the noise of everyday thoughts, waiting for you to step into it and use it intentionally. Every belief you hold, every mental picture you cultivate, begins to program your subconscious, influencing your decisions, your habits, and ultimately the reality you live. When you realize that your mind is not a passive observer, but the active creator of your life, a shift occurs, a transformation where you no longer wait for life to happen to you, but instead begin to shape life according to your vision. The untapped power of your mind is a gift, but like any gift, it requires recognition, care, and practice. You can awaken it through focus, through discipline, through deliberate thought and visualization. You can learn to enter a state where intuition and insight flow naturally, where solutions appear effortlessly, and where your connection to the creative intelligence of the universe becomes undeniable. Once you step into this understanding, you see the profound truth. Your reality is not fixed. Your potential is infinite, and the power to create the life you desire has always been within your grasp, waiting for you to claim it fully, and that moment begins the shift into your new life. There is a level of consciousness your mind can reach that most people never even realize exists, a state where clarity, insight, and intuition flow naturally, effortlessly, as if the answers have always been waiting for you. This state is not a fantasy or something reserved for a select few. It is accessible to anyone willing to quiet the chatter of the conscious mind and connect with the deeper intelligence that lies beneath. In this state, you can perceive solutions to problems that once seemed impossible, make decisions with absolute confidence, and tap into a wellspring of creativity that has no limits. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, and as you dive beneath the surface, you discover currents of energy and wisdom that carry you exactly where you need to go. That is what happens when you learn to enter this deep state of your mind. It is here that your intuition becomes a reliable guide. Your imagination becomes a tool of creation, and your subconscious begins to work in perfect harmony with your conscious desires. The mind, when trained to reach this state, can solve complex challenges in moments, foresee opportunities before they appear, and guide your actions with precision and purpose. Every insight, every moment of clarity is like a spark that lights the path ahead, showing you possibilities that were invisible before. But reaching this state requires practice, patience, and belief in the power that resides within you. You must learn to quiet the endless stream of thoughts, to focus inward, and to trust the guidance that arises naturally from your deeper mind. Once you experience this state, once you feel the effortless flow of intelligence and creativity, you begin to see the profound difference between reacting to life and consciously creating it. This state is a gateway to a reality where limitations fade, where fear and doubt lose their grip, and where you begin to act from a place of certainty, vision, and purpose. It is a realm where your mind is no longer simply thinking. It is creating, sensing, and directing the energy of your life toward the fulfillment of your highest potential. When you understand that you can enter this state at will, and that every time you do, you align more closely with your true power, you awaken the ability to transform not only your thoughts, but your entire reality, and that awakening is the moment your life begins to shift profoundly. Your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas, they are powerful signals that shape your reality in ways you may not even notice. Every thought you entertain sends a ripple into your subconscious mind, influencing your beliefs, your habits, and ultimately the circumstances you experience. Most people underestimate this power, believing that life simply happens to them, that events are random or controlled by fate. But the truth is far more profound. Your mind is constantly broadcasting signals, and the reality you live is responding to those signals. When your thoughts are filled with doubt, fear, or limitation, your mind interprets them as instructions and begins to create circumstances that match them. Conversely, when your thoughts are aligned with clarity, confidence, and vision, your mind begins to attract experiences that mirror those intentions. Every choice you make, every action you take, every opportunity that comes to you is first influenced by your inner mental state. The mind is like a garden, and your thoughts are seeds. Negative, fearful thoughts grow into weeds that choke your progress, while positive, purposeful thoughts blossom into opportunities, solutions, and breakthroughs. Understanding this principle changes everything because it means you are not powerless in life. You are the originator of your experiences. When you learn to direct your thoughts with intention, when you cultivate mental discipline and focus on what you truly desire, you begin to see results almost immediately. Your mind starts to recognize patterns, to notice possibilities, and to guide you toward actions that serve your highest vision. This is not merely wishful thinking, it is the science of cause and effect applied to consciousness. Every thought carries energy, every mental image sends a message to your subconscious, and every belief you hold acts as a blueprint for the reality you create. By consciously choosing the thoughts you feed your mind, by deliberately shaping your inner world, you gain the power to shape your outer world. You begin to understand that your mind is not a passive observer, but an active creator, and that reality itself is responding to the instructions you give it. When this understanding takes root, you realize that nothing in your life is fixed, that every circumstance is subject to change, and that the power to create the life you desire has always been within you, waiting for your conscious direction, and that moment of mastery begins the transformation of your world. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools your mind possesses, a direct pathway to shaping your reality in ways that most people never even attempt. When you vividly imagine the life you desire, when you see it with clarity, feel it with intensity, and believe it as if it is already yours, your subconscious mind begins to work in alignment with that vision. Every detail you picture, every emotion you attach to it, sends a signal to your inner intelligence, instructing it to create circumstances that match your vision. This is not mere imagination or daydreaming. It is a deliberate act of programming your mind to manifest the life you truly want. The subconscious mind does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. It responds to repetition, emotion, and belief. That means every time you consistently visualize your goals, your mind begins to recognize them as commands, working behind the scenes to orchestrate opportunities, solutions, and insights that bring your vision into reality. The more detail, the more emotion, the more belief you infuse into your mental pictures, the stronger the signal becomes and the faster your mind responds. Visualization turns abstract desires into concrete possibilities, transforming thoughts into tangible outcomes. Many people go through life hoping, wishing, or praying for change, yet they fail to harness the creative power of their own consciousness. Visualization bridges that gap, allowing you to bypass doubt, fear, and external limitations, and instead to communicate directly with the part of your mind that is capable of orchestrating results. When you make this practice a daily habit, when you see your goals as if they are already real, you begin to notice synchronicities, opportunities, and solutions appearing in ways that seem almost miraculous. Your mind starts to work tirelessly on your behalf, aligning circumstances, attracting the right people, and guiding your actions toward the fulfillment of your dreams. This is the secret of true manifestation, a disciplined, deliberate, and emotionally charged mental rehearsal of the life you wish to create. The more faithfully you practice, the more your inner world aligns with your outer world, until eventually the life you have been visualizing is no longer a vision. It is your lived experience. And the process of transformation is complete in the deepest sense of creation. Your mind is not only a tool for thinking, it is a powerhouse capable of controlling your emotions, your reactions, and even your physical state. Mental discipline is the key that unlocks this potential, allowing you to direct your focus, calm your fears, and harness creativity in ways most people never imagine. Without discipline, the mind is like a wild river, flowing in unpredictable directions, carrying with it stress, doubt, and distraction. But when you learn to control your thoughts, to observe them without judgment, and to intentionally focus on what matters most, you gain mastery over the currents of your own consciousness. This mastery allows you to eliminate fear, to quiet anxiety, and to replace uncertainty with clarity. You begin to recognize that the obstacles you once feared are not permanent. They are temporary conditions shaped by your own mental state. Creativity, insight, and innovation are not the products of random luck. They are the natural outcomes of a mind that has been trained to focus, to relax into deeper states of awareness, and to work in harmony with the infinite intelligence within. Every time you practice mental discipline, you strengthen your ability to direct your energy toward solutions rather than problems, toward opportunities rather than limitations, and toward growth rather than stagnation. This discipline also allows you to build resilience, to bounce back from setbacks, and to maintain a sense of peace and balance regardless of external circumstances. Your mind becomes a compass, guiding you toward choices that align with your highest vision and purpose. And as you exercise this control, you begin to notice a profound truth. The external world reflects the inner state of your mind. When you cultivate focus, positivity, and confidence, your circumstances start to shift, not by chance, but by the deliberate power of your own consciousness shaping reality. Every challenge becomes a lesson, every failure a stepping stone, and every success a confirmation of your inner power. By training your mind, you learn that you are not a passive observer of life. You are the active creator, capable of shaping every experience, every emotion, and every outcome according to your will. The power to control, to create, and to transform is not somewhere out there. It resides within you, waiting for your disciplined attention to awaken it fully. And the moment you seize it, your reality begins to respond in kind. Every action you take in life begins in the mind. Every decision, every choice, every movement is first imagined, first conceived, and first shaped by your inner consciousness. The mind is the origin of all creation, and when it is fully aligned with your desires, with clarity, purpose, and belief, reality itself begins to adjust to meet the vision you hold. Most people live in a reactive state, letting circumstances, other people, and chance dictate the course of their lives. They fail to understand that the external world is a mirror, reflecting the patterns, beliefs, and energy within their own mind. When you step into the awareness that your mind is the source of everything you experience, you gain a profound power, the ability to consciously direct your life rather than merely respond to it. Alignment of mind and desire is not an abstract concept, it is a practice. It requires focus, clarity, and deliberate mental rehearsal of the life you wish to live. Each thought, each mental image, each emotional vibration you cultivate strengthens this alignment, sending signals to your subconscious mind that shape the decisions you make, the actions you take, and the opportunities you notice. Your subconscious does not distinguish between dreams and reality. It responds to the intensity and persistence of your mental focus. This means that the more consistently you program your mind with clarity, belief, and vision, the more your outer reality will reflect those inner patterns. When your mind and your desires are synchronized, synchronicities occur naturally, challenges resolve with ease, and paths open that were previously invisible. You begin to notice that what once seemed impossible is now attainable, that what once felt distant is now within reach, and that your actions carry a weight, a direction, and a purpose that leads to tangible results. This is the essence of conscious creation, understanding that you are not at the mercy of fate or circumstance, but rather the architect of your own destiny. Every moment you spend in focused thought, every mental rehearsal, and every decision aligned with your highest vision strengthens your ability to shape your reality. The life you desire is not a dream. It is a consequence of the mental patterns you cultivate and the alignment you create between thought, emotion, and action. When you fully step into this awareness, when you consciously wield the power of your mind to guide your life, you awaken the force within that reshapes reality itself. And that awakening is the turning point where your true potential begins to manifest in every area of your life